I would always advise people to act on instinct, when to bring up the conversation at the right time for you, knowing you are ready and confident. Always be honest about the way you feel and don't cower because you want to protect their feelings above your own. Otherwise you give away your power and the right to honor your feelings and dignify your level of self-respect. Don't limit yourself based on the expectations you may have with his reaction or fears you may have about how he may feel about you. If you've developed feelings for this person, I think it's best for you to respect your needs by expressing them regardless of his. Otherwise you're serving others and leaving yourself abandoned. There is no right way of doing these things, only what you know to be true and real for you, but you acknowledge grace and respect should be at the forefront of every delicate conversation or subject such as this one. Tell him how you feel in your own words and your own time, but remember, do it so for the reason you know you need to, not because you have expectations of the results of letting your truth be known. Don't overcomplicate it or overthink it, do it and do it out of respect for you and the connection you have,